And if they ask me what I'm at, like my home, so they can ban me from that one, I'm be like, oh, I live in like Cali.
You should be like, I
And my name. There's a picture of me. Shows a picture.
shows a picture of you when you lived in friggin' Fort Hood, holding up a Texas license plate.
Shows my tax.
I don't. I hear the birds and the bees conversation with your younger brother in the background.
Needs to hear that conversation.
That's why I said it. Bro was acting like a band kid the other day,
Yeah, I know.
reproducing in the hallways.
That's fact.
They should put up like a pool sign in the hallways, like no running,
Bro became a whole freaking.
no
Bro set up my
reproducing.
whole family in the freaking junior high bathrooms.
Got a 9 to 5 in the junior high bathroom to support his kid.
Bro applied for a McDonald's job in the middle of lunch to support his family.
He applied to the school cafeteria to be able to support his girlfriend and kid.
In his off time, he works
And in the off times, he's freaking Batman.
back,
Right.
fighting crime,
Fighting,
fighting messes.
fighting, fighting crimes of Ethan not changing rooms.
Yeah, I know. I actually just, I'm like the Riddler, torturing him with his mind, making him think he's getting it, and then he's not, and he's getting it, and he's.
Dude, you're blue balling the poor kid.
I know.
I'm sure his girlfriend does that enough, but like, dang.
Yeah, I'm sure.
1 hour later.
Superhero letters.
Look at this inspiring art by people.
Back curm.
Hold on, let me see this up.
You could do back curm. Back curm.
He already has that. This is Minecraft.
Yeah, from Minecraft.
Speaking of that, join the Discord, everybody.
Hmm.
What?
Okay, here's the bat. Perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think that's it. It should just be the
Yeah,
bat.
I think I'm done already.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
What was Batcurm's theme song be?
Dude, give him a gold chain too. Make him 2 chains.
2 chains. I got
Oh
2.
man.
2 chains. The second row left one is beautiful. Yeah, dude. That's how gangsters walk. That's how gangsters move.
Is that Batcurm's theme song?
Yes.
Yes.
What else would go on the bat belt? I need
Give-
something else there.
Give him a rolly.
You're right.
You're right, Luke. Let's do it.
Oh, he's iced.
Oh,
He's
he's
iced
iced
out.
at all times. What else should go on the bat belt?
No, what's going on his hand? Yeah.
No, what else should go on the bat belt? Is that what you asked?
Yeah. I need some else to go on the bat belt.
A bag of weed.
No.
Cocaine.
I mean, stare
What's a meme we've used a lot?
Yeah, what's a good Kermit meme?
like
That's none
banana.
of your business.
on our channel. Banana.
Oh my gosh, banana.
Remember the banana costume?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Luke still has it as his Xbox.
I do.
Such a silly looking banana, dude.
What is another?
Okay, so forget the gun. He could just use the banana.
What is another Chris channel meme? No, but we made this Kermit hood for a reason.
Oh, what's the banana for?
If he gets hungry.
Oh, so it's after he beats people up?
Yeah, it's
Yep.
it's like his mid-fight snack.
Oh, okay. So he's in the middle of a fight and he's like, wait a minute. Takes a bite of his banana. Okay, I'm ready.
Where's the eraser at? Dude, I need to erase kind of the side of the mask. Brushes. Erase.
And there we go.
Not even erasing it. Don't want that. Definitely don't want that. Erase the clown.
Turn up the size.
Huh?
Turn up the size, maybe.
Because look, the side of his mask looks stupid.
That's kind of funnier.
Yeah, I think it's funny.
Yeah, it won't work. Whatever. We can.
I mean, like.
You can